Okay, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about what is the three-phase balance systems and voltage and current equations in delta and star connections. First of all, three-phase supply. Okay, before going to this topic, what is the meaning of what is the use of three-phase supplies? What are the three-phase supply? How to generate the three-phase supplies and the four-phase supplies? First of all, nowadays the main domestic applications AC supplies in single phase AC supply. That AC supply is 230 volts by 50 amperes. This single phase AC supply is not suitable for certain applications. Means it is not suitable for high power applications. Okay, the three single phase supply is suitable for only low power applications. Okay, and you need some need polyphase AC supplies. Polyphase AC supplies means more than single phase two three phase supplies. The polyphase AC supply is one of the which produce the many phases simultaneously, single two phases, three phases, so on. So how to generate the polyphase AC supply? First of all, the single phase AC voltage generated by the using the single phase alternator. Okay, in single phase alternator consisting only one armature winding, but in three phase or polyphase AC supply, AC voltage, we have to use the many armature windings. The number of armature winding is equal to number of spaces. Okay, the three phase supply waveforms, the three phase systems are provided to be the most economically as compared to the other systems. Hence, in practice, the other three-phase systems is most preferred. The three armature winding used for generation of the three-phase supplies are located to 230 waves of each other because of the total the degrees is 360 degrees. 360 degrees by 3 equal to 260 degrees. The voltage induced in the windings are the same amplitude and frequency, but other displayed by 120 with respect to each other as shown in the figure. For example, this is a three-phase supply, three-phase voltage waveforms. Three-phase voltage waveforms, there are three phases. The first one is V1, V2, V3. The V1 is starting at 0 points and V2 is starting at 120 degrees. The difference between the V1 and V2 is 120. And the difference between the V2 and V3 is again 120. So the total is 360 degrees. Okay. The first one is supply V1 is starting at 0 position. The second one is V2 supply waveform is started 100 degrees. The third one is started 240 degrees. Okay. The main advantage of three phase over the single phase system is the output is more. Okay. The high power used for the high power applications, and the size but is small in size. Okay. Three phase motors are self startings. Okay. Need not to more use the other equipment. Okay. Now the fourth one is power is transmitted. The main advantage of three phase systems is more output, smaller size. Three phase motors are self starting, and the fourth one is more motor is transmitted. Comparing the three phase and single phase systems. The single phase systems, the voltage is only 230 volts. Okay, three phase systems is the 450 volts. The started three phase system is 450 volts. Okay, the transmission efficiency is the single phase systems is low and transmission efficiency is three phase systems is high. And size of pistons produce the same output is larger, but in three phase systems is smaller. The cross section area of the conductor is large. The single phase systems, but three phase systems is more small. The uses of three-phase single pistons is only used for the those domestic applications, house applications, with the small power applications. But three-phase system used for the industrial applications, large power applications, commercial complex applications. It is used for the three-phase systems. Next one is three-phase EMF generation and its waveforms. The main what is the working principle of three-phase EMF generation is the single-phase supply generated by using the single turn alternator. We are using the only one armature winding. Thus, the armature consisting only one winding, then only one alternating voltage is produced. But if the armature winding is divided into three groups, which is displayed by 120 degrees from each other, then it's possible to generate the three alternating voltages. Okay, this is generation of three-phase voltage. This armature winding is divided into three groups. First one is RR. This is a straight line. The second one is YY, and third one is BB. Okay. The shown in the figure, above the figure, the armature winding is divided into three groups. The first one is RR, R1 to R1, Y1 to Y2, and again B1 to B2. All these coils are mounted in the same socket. They physically placed but 120 each other. But the difference between the each coil is 120 degrees. Okay. When the coils are rotating, the flux is produced by the permanent magnetic. When the actually the EMF is generated when the current carrying generator cuts the magnetic flux, the EMF is induced. Okay, when the coil is rotated, the flux is produced by the permanent magnet. The EMF induced into these coils. Okay, and the EMF is sinusoidally are equal to amplitude of the mass if equal frequency the displaced from each other. And VR and VY and VB is the phase voltages. Okay, this is a R phase, this is a Y phase, this is a B phase. This is a three-phase supply systems. The R phase is started at 0 position and the Y phase started 100 degrees and B phase started at 240 degrees. Okay. This is a if VR is considered in the references. This is a VR, the red line. The red line is referred as the reference. We conclude that VY, the second one is VY lags VR by 100 degrees. Okay, this is a VY. The third one is VB. VB lags by VR. The difference between the three windings is 100 degrees. Now VR to VY and VY to VB is 100 degrees. And again VB to and VB is to 100 degrees. Okay. In other words, VB to VR. The VB to VR is 240 degrees. 100 degrees to VY and 100 degrees to VY to YT plus totally these 240 degrees. The angle is 240 degrees. The mathematical representation of the three individual voltages V1 and V2 and V3. The first one is V1. If the VR is considered as a reference, so VR equal to Vm into sin omega. The input voltage is Vm into sin omega. The AC voltage input is Vm into sin omega. And Vy equal to Vy lags VR by 20 degrees. So Vm into sin omega t plus 100 degrees minus 100 degrees. And again Vb equal to Vm sin omega t minus 240 degrees. Okay, R by B. Okay. But the phase sequence is defined as the sequence in which the three phases reaches their maximum values. Normally, the sequence is R by B. The importance of phase sequences, the direction of the rotation of three-phase machines depends upon the phase sequences. Okay. Now, one more importance of the phase sequences, if the phase sequence is changed, example R, actually the phase sequence is R by B. If you want to change the frequency R B by, then the direction of rotation will be also reversed. In order to avoid such things, in the phase frequency R by B is also maintained. In three-phase systems, alternate as a three separate windings for each other. You know, only single phase systems, only one winding. In three-phase systems, are three separate windings for one for each phases. And the power generated in each phase can be transmitted independently the load using two wires per winding, but this will require the 6 different ways. Even though the systems is practically possible, but makes the systems complicated and expensive. So in practice, three windings are alternating interconnected to different phases. It reduced by the number of wires required the connections. Okay, the three-phase system, there are three different connections. The first one is star connections. The second one is delta connections. Okay, the star connections. This one is a star three-phase three-wire star connections. The star connected is RYB. The star connected to the three-phase load. In delta connections, there are the closed loop. The delta connection is three wires R and Y and B. Okay. This middle point is neutral. Neutral point is called as N, indicated by N. The first of all, the star connection. This configuration is obtained by connecting one end of the three wires winding together. Okay, you can connect either RYB together. This common point is also called as a neutral point. Okay, the connecting the one end of the three-phase winding together. This R one side winding and B one side winding and Y one side winding. They connected to the together. This point is called, this common point is also called as a neutral. Okay, the terminal brought out of external to the connection. These terminals is connected to the raised load. And the delta connection is a measure of configuration obtained by connecting the one end of winding to the starting of one more winding. Okay. For example, this is R. This starting here in the one more winding ending. Ending is connected to the one more starting ending. Starting wire. Okay. The such port is the closed loop. So it is the closed loop. Delta connection is star connection is open loop. There are two types of loads, two types of identity connection. The first one is star connected load. The second one is delta connected load. Okay. So one more classification is balanced load and unbalanced load. Okay. Uh, the balanced load is that the in magnitude of all impedances connected in the load are equal. Okay. The phase angle of them also is equal and same type. Okay, but these unbalanced load means the load does not satisfy the condition of balanced load. When they call as unbalanced load, the magnitude and phase angle unbalanced load different from each other. Okay, in balanced load, the phase angle and magnitude is equal for three phases. But unbalanced load, the magnitude and phase angle of the unbalanced load are different from each other. Okay. First of all, the balanced star load. The balanced star load, there are two lines. That is a line voltage and phase voltage. The line voltage is if R, Y, B are called as the supply line. The potential difference between the any 2 points is known as a line voltage. Okay. Line voltages are VR minus VB. Okay. This is the okay. This is a line. This is also called as a line voltage. Line voltages are VR VRY. Okay, the line between the two lines. The line between the two lines. The line voltage between the two lines. So first line one and line two. This is a line voltage VRY and VYB and VBR. These are line voltages. The line voltage are sine waves of 50 Hz. The frequency is between adjustment the line voltage are 60 degrees. Okay. And phase voltages. The phase voltage is measured across the single winding or phases is called as a phase voltage. All the phase voltage sine waves phase difference between the windings is, for example, the phase voltages are VRM. Okay, the angle between the line voltage between the VR and N, VRN, VYN, VYBN. That is called as a phase voltage. Okay, the relationship between the line and phase voltage. In the star connected them, the line voltage is higher than the phase voltage by factor of root 3. Okay, the line voltage, okay, VL equal to root 3 times of phase voltage in star. Okay, in star connected. The phase current, the current passing through the any branches in the star connected is also called as phase current, denoted by I phase. The line current means the current passing through the any line. RYB is also called as line current, denoted by IL. When both are equal in star connected, IL equal to I phase, but that the voltage is different. The line voltage and phase voltage are different. Means the line voltage VL equal to root 3 times of phase voltage PPs in star connected, but the current is same. But current is same. Next one is equations V phase, for example, power comes in star connected. V phase into actually I phase into cos pi. The pi means the angle between the two voltage and current. The balance of the systems, the total power consumed equal to total power equal to 3 into P into 3 phase. Okay, so totally P of total power equal to 3 into P phase. So 3 into phase voltage, phase current, and cos pi. Phase voltage equal to RMS phase voltage, I phase equal to RMS phase current. Substituting the voltage is different. Line voltage phase voltage equal to VL by root 3 because of VL equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. In phase current is same. So total power equal to 3 into root 3 by root 3 into VL cos pi. So final power value is in star connected root 3 into VL into IL into cos pi. So final power equal to root 3 VL IL cos pi. Power factor at star. Power factor equal to the cosine angle between the 2 points is also cosine angle between the phase and voltage is called power factor. The power factor is equal to cos pi. The angle between the phase voltage and phase current. Okay, this is a completely phasor diagram of three phase star connected balanced load. Okay, Now, first of all, we take the reference is VRN. The VRN is and VBN is the reference phase voltage is 120 degrees. The VBN and VY1 is phase the phase difference is 100 degrees. Okay, and VR1 and VRY is equal also called as VRY. Okay. Phase current lags behind in phase diagram. About the phase diagram, the phase currents. Okay, the phase currents IR, IY, IB. The phase currents lags behind the corresponding phase voltage by pi radians, respectively as load is inductive. The line voltage are displayed by 100 degrees from each other. The line voltage leads the respective phase voltage by 30 degrees. Okay. The balance in delta load. Okay. In star load, the phase voltage, okay, the line voltage is equal to the times of phase voltage, and current is same, line voltage and phase current in star current, in star current. In delta connected, this is a delta connected examples. The difference between the VRY, VBR and VYB, and this one is current is IR minus IB, here IY minus IB, and here IB minus IY. In delta connection, the voltage is same. The line voltage and phase voltage both are same, but current is different because of line current is higher than the phase current. IL equal to root 3 times of phase voltage. Okay, the total power consumed to the delta connected is the same as the star connected. Root 3 into P equal to root 3 into VLIL cos phi. This is a phasor diagram of star delta connected. So we'll take the difference is VRY, VYB. Difference is currents IRY and IN, IABN. Now, okay, above the phasor diagram, phase current lags behind the corresponding phase voltage by pi degrees. Okay, phase current lags the phase voltage by pi degrees. Respective as the all inductors. Every line current lags the respective phase current by 30 degrees. Now there are different powers, apparent power and active power and reactive power. Apparent power means V and I, active power means root 3 VLIL cos phi. Active power, reactive power means root 3 into VL into IL into cos phi. Okay. The last one is, this is a star connection. The last one is applications of three-phase system. Applications of three-phase system usually for three-phase induction motors and three-phase synchronous motors and water pumps. Where is the machine tools, applications, lathe machines, then it is milling machines, and large factories and education institutes and commercially complexes, usually for the three-phase systems. Okay, thank you.